Why is my Word documents alignment inconsistent with images? Imagine working hard on a document and noticing that your images don't line up with your text the way you want. It can be frustrating, right? Let's figure out why this happens and how to fix it. In Microsoft Word, paragraph alignment controls how your text lines up on the page. You can set it to left, center, right, or justify. But this setting only affects the text itself, not images or other objects you insert. That's a key point to remember. When you add an image, it can be set to different wrapping styles. If you leave it in line with text, the image acts like a big letter in your paragraph. It moves along with your text when you edit. But if you change the wrapping to options like square, tight, or behind text, the image becomes a floating object. Floating images are not tied to the paragraph's alignment rules. They can be placed anywhere on the page, independent of your text. This is why your images might seem out of sync with your paragraph alignment. If an image is floating, it doesn't follow the same rules as your text. It's controlled by its own layout settings. So even if your paragraph is aligned to the left or centered, the floating image might be somewhere else on the page. To fix this, first check how your image is wrapped. Right-click the image and select Wrap Text. If you want the image to move with your paragraph, choose In Line with Text. This makes the image behave like part of the paragraph, following the alignment. If you prefer floating images, you can still align them properly. Use the Picture Format tab and look for the Arrange group. Here, you can select options like Align Left, Align Center, or Align Right. You can also select multiple images by holding down the Control key and clicking each one. Then, use the Align options to position all selected images uniformly. Another helpful tip is to use grid lines or the grid settings. These help you place images precisely on the page. You can turn on grid lines from the View tab and check Grid Lines. This makes it easier to see how objects line up. Grouping images is also useful. If you have several images that need to stay together, select them all, right-click, and choose Group. This way, you can move and align them as one object, keeping their relative positions consistent. When creating documents with both text and images, decide early whether images should flow with the text or be positioned independently. For text-heavy documents, keeping images inline is best. For designs needing precise placement, floating images with proper alignment and grouping work well. Remember, paragraph alignment affects only your text. Images need separate controls based on their wrapping style. Adjusting the wrapping, using the alignment tools, and grouping images can help you get a neat, consistent look. This way, your document will look professional and well-organized every time.